Now we're going to talk about being a health consumer to make informed buying decisions. A health consumer is someone who purchases or uses health products or services. So pretty much all of us, right? Probably the most important influence you need to be aware of as a consumer is advertising. Advertising is a written or spoken media message designed to interest consumers in purchasing a product or a service. We have advertising all around us on your phones, billboards, magazines. Everywhere you go, there's advertising, people's clothing. So you cannot escape it. Now, some of the different techniques advertisers use to get us to purchase their products are right here. We have the bandwagon technique. Everyone's using it. You should as well. Rich and famous. It'll make you feel rich and famous because the rich and famous use these products. So if you're using them, you're just like them. Free gifts, giveaways. It's too good of a deal to pass up. Buy one, get one free. Deals like that. Great outdoors. If it's associated with nature, it must be healthy. You have good times. The product will add fun to your life. And then there's testimonials. It worked for them, so it'll work for you as well. There are many other techniques, and we're going to get into more of them after the notes during class today. At the bottom says being a health literate consumer means being aware of and knowing how to evaluate hidden messages in advertising so you can make informed purchasing decisions. Now, when evaluating products, there are two effective ways to sharpen your consumer skills when purchasing health products. These will be on your test. Read product labels and do some comparison shopping before you buy. So product labels, such as food labels, give you important information about what a product contains. Obviously, it has a product's name, its intended use, directions for how to use, warnings, manufacturer's information, the amount that it costs, and active and inactive ingredients. Now, when you do some comparison shopping, judging the benefits of different products by comparing several factors, most important usually being the quality, the features the product comes with, and how much it costs. So some other criteria to consider: cost and quality, as we mentioned, features, the warranty. Oftentimes they come with 1-year warranties. Sometimes they come with extended warranties besides that. Safety, other people's opinions about the product, and consumer organization product ratings. Before buying an expensive product, ask about the warranty, which is a company's or a store's written agreement to repair a product or refund your money if the product does not function the way it's supposed to. To evaluate health information or services, ask yourself these 3 questions. Does the information come from a valid source? Does the service come from a respected provider? And if the source is a website, who is paying for this website? If it's the product organization, then they're not going to be telling you the truth. If it's a reputable organization, then you can probably learn a little bit more about it. So know where the information is coming from.